What is up, everybody? We are back today, and we just got back from Daytona probably about a week or two ago, and it was a fun time out there. But one of the things we realized doing a long distance like that on the road, the shocks on the road glides suck. So we ordered a set of gas shocks with the reserve reservoir, and we're going to get that installed today, and that's right over here. I already started putting some of it all together. But we're going to get this all pulled out, and we're going to get these installed onto Diamond and start doing the adjustments that the instructions recommends, and then we're going to start dialing in and go from there. So let's get started on this. So as you can see, these are, I think these are the stock shocks, but I'm not sure. They gotta go. So we're gonna get rid of these bad boys, and we're gonna get these other ones installed. We're gonna take you through the process of it. These are Ohlin shocks that we got for this, and I'm hoping it works out really good, and we'll go from there. Okay, so got the second side installed. We're gonna get this all zip tied, buttoned up. We are losing our daylight, so we're gonna try to get it all set. We got this one set on a 6. Tops are all about the same, so we're gonna set all that stuff, lower it down, see how it feels, take it for a ride, and start dialing her in.